Can someone with Cash App send me money? All right, let's get straight to it. You've got Cash App, right? You know, that app that's supposed to make sending money as easy as sending a text. You're probably thinking, great, I can send money to anyone. But what about the other side of the coin? Can someone who doesn't have Cash App actually send you money? I mean, let's be real. Not everyone is tech savvy or even interested in downloading another app. So, what happens when your grandma wants to send you money for your birthday, or your buddy wants to chip in for that pizza you ordered? Can they do it without Cash App? This is a question I get all the time. And trust me, it's a good one. Because while Cash App is awesome for peer-to-peer payments, it's not the only game in town. So, let's break it down. First off, let's talk about what Cash App actually is. It's a mobile payment service. It's a way to send and receive money digitally. But here's the thing, to send money through Cash App, both you and the sender need to have the app. It's like trying to play chess with someone who only knows how to play checkers. It's just not going to work. So, if someone doesn't have Cash App, can they still send you money? Well, the short answer is yes. But it's not as easy or as quick. Let's talk about your options. Option 1, good old-fashioned cash. Hear me out. Before there were apps, there was cash. It might seem old school, but it still works. Your grandma can slip you a crisp $20 bill, your buddy can hand you some ones for that pizza, and voila, you've got money. It's simple, it's secure, well, as secure as carrying cash can be, and it works every time. Option 2, bank transfers. If you want something a bit more modern without involving another app, bank transfers are your friend. Most banks offer the ability to transfer money to another account. All you need is the other person's account number and routing number. It might take a few days for the money to show up, but it's a reliable way to get cash. Option 3, other payment apps. Now, if you're open to other apps, there are plenty of options. Venmo, Zelle, PayPal, these are all popular choices. The good news is, many of these apps allow you to receive money even if the sender doesn't have an account. They can often use a debit card to send you money. Option 4, prepaid cards. This one might be a bit less common, but it's worth mentioning. There are prepaid cards out there that can be loaded with money. Someone could buy one, load it up, and then give you the card. It's like a physical gift card, but for cash. So, there you have it. While Cash App is great for quick and easy peer-to-peer payments, it's not the only way to get money. There are plenty of other options available, from the classic to the digital. Now, let's talk about some common questions. Can I link my bank account to Cash App so people can send me money that way? Is it safe to send money to someone who doesn't have Cash App? What are the fees involved with each of these options? I'll cover these questions in detail in my next video. So, stay tuned for that. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.